just spent $50,000 testing 100 different dropshipping ads across 15 different products. And out of those 100 ads, only 3 went viral and made me profitable. But here's the crazy part. Those 3 ads generated over $180,000 in revenue in just 30 days. So today I'm gonna break down the exact formula behind those 3 ads, show you the biggest mistakes that cost me thousands, but most importantly, reveal the secret weapon that I discovered that's now creating viral ads for me on autopilot. What's up everyone, Ecom Santiago here again. And for those who don't know me yet, I've been in the dropshipping space for over 5 years and generated millions in sales. But most importantly, I've helped thousands of students build profitable stores. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, even after all of these years of experience creating viral ads, it is still the hardest part for me about dropshipping. You can literally have the perfect product, the most beautiful store, and the best supplier in the world, but if your ads don't stop people from scrolling, you'll make 0 sales. So that's why I decided to conduct this massive experiment, and I wanted to crack the code to what makes dropshipping ads go viral in 2025. And listen, what I've discovered will definitely shock you. But before we dive into the results, make sure to smack the like button if you want to learn the real secrets behind viral dropshipping ads. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you're serious about making money online. Alright, so here's how I structured this experiment. So I basically selected 15 different products across various niches, everything from home improvement gadgets to health products to pet products. And listen, for each product, I created 6 to 8 different ad variations, testing different hook styles, different video formats, different video lengths, different call to actions, and different target audiences. I spent exactly $500 testing each ad over a 7-day period. That's about $50,000 across 100 different ads. Now listen, my success criteria was simple. CTR above 3%, CPC below $1, ROAS above 3.0, and at least 7 seconds video average playtime. Now, most importantly, I tracked which ads people were sharing, commenting on, and engaging with organically, because that's what separates a good ad from a viral ad. Now, the results were brutal but eye-opening. So out of the 100 ads, 73 completely flopped, and I'm talking about 1.8 CTR, 1.6 plus CPCs, and of course negative ROAS. These ads literally burned through money faster than I can turn them off. Now look, 24 ads performed okay because they broke even or made a small profit, but nothing special. Look, these ads are what most dropshippers would be happy with, but they're not going to change your life. And then we got 3 ads that went absolutely viral. So ad number 1 for the pet water fountain, we got 2.8 million organic views on TikTok, 8.7 CTR on Facebook, 0.70 cost per click, and most importantly, a 3.8 in ROAS. And this single ad generated over $67,000 in revenue. Now ad number 2 for the car mount for phones. This ad got 1.9 million organic views, 9.3% in CTR, 0.14 cost per click, 4.9 in ROAS, and this ad generated $54,000 in revenue. And lastly, ad number 3 for the posture corrector. We got 3.4 million organic views, 9.1 in CTR, 0.5 in cost per click, 4.1 in ROAS, and this ad generated $61,000 in revenue. Now listen, these 3 ads didn't just perform well, but they also went absolutely viral organically, which meant free traffic on top of the paid ads campaigns. So after analyzing these 3 ads frame by frame, I discovered they all follow the exact same formula, and I called it the V.I.R.A.L framework, viral framework. So the V stands for visual hook, and it's the first 3 seconds of the ads. Every viral ad grabbed attention during the first 3 seconds with something unexpected or visually striking. For example, the pet fountain ad started with a dog refusing to drink from a regular bowl, the car mount ad opened with someone's phone flying off their dashboard, and the posture corrector showed a dramatic before and after posture comparison. Now the I stands from instant product recognition, and it goes from second number 3 all the way till second number 8. So within the first 5 seconds, viewers had to immediately recognize a problem they personally experienced. For example, your dog won't drink enough water, or your phone keeps falling while driving, or your back hurts from bad posture. Now the R stands for Relatable Solution Demonstration, and it goes from second number 8 all the way till second 25. This basically means that viral ads show the solution in a relatable real-world scenario. Listen, the viral ads didn't just show the products working, they also showed them solving real problems in real situations that viewers could actually imagine themselves in. The A stands for Authority Through Results, which goes from second 25 all the way till second 35. And this means that every viral ad should include some form of social proof or dramatic results that build instant credibility, like customer testimonials, before and after shots, or impressive statistics that made viewers think, wow, this actually works. And the L stands for Low Friction Call to Action, which is the last 5 seconds of the ad. The call to action wasn't pushy or salesy, it was actually natural and low pressure. For example, try it risk-free instead of buy now, see if it works for you instead of order today, and get yours while suppliers last instead of limited time offer. But look, here's what this experiment taught me. Creating viral ads isn't about luck or having massive budgets. It's actually about understanding human psychology and following a proven formula. But look, here's the problem. Even knowing this formula, creating these ads, it's incredibly time-consuming and expensive. Each of those 3 ads took me about 6 to 8 hours to create, plus hundreds of dollars in testing them to optimize. I literally had to source the right footage, write compelling scripts, edit everything together, test different versions, optimize based on performance. So while I was burning through my budget testing ads, I came across a platform called V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads. Listen, at first I was skeptical, another ad creation service. I tried those before and they were garbage. But when I saw who was behind it and who was using it, creators like the Ecom King, Hayden Bowles, AC Hampton, people who've generated tens of millions in dropshipping sales, so I decided to test it. Basically what I did was ordering their split testing package for one of my products, the same water fountain that I spent hours creating ads for, and within 24 hours they delivered 4 different ad variations that followed the exact viral framework that I already talked to you about before. But here's the crazy part, because these ads literally outperformed my previous handcrafted ads. Look, my original ad had an 8.7 CTR, the V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads version had an 11.2 CTR, my original ad had a 0.70 cost per click, the V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads version had a 0.60 cost per click, and most importantly, my original ad had a 4.8 ROAS, while the V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads had a 6.1 ROAS. But how is this possible? Well, literally because V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads have created over 100,000 ad creatives for multiple dropshippers, and most importantly, have data on what works across every niche imaginable. So let me show you exactly how V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads works and why it is so effective. So step number 1, you're gonna choose your package. They offer different packages depending on your needs: Facebook ads, TikTok ads, split testing packages, and even AI UGC ads. Now, step 2, you're gonna submit your product. You simply need to provide your product link and any specific angles you want them to focus on. You fill the forms and you send it. Step 3 is where they actually come in. They're a team of expert creators who've generated over $30 million in sales for their clients. Craft your ads using proven frameworks. And step 4, in 24 hours, you get your ads delivered. If you are a VIP member, you actually get your ads delivered within 24 hours guaranteed. But look, here's what makes V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads so special. They don't just create random ads, they also analyze your product, they research your competitors, and most importantly, create ads specifically designed to outperform what's already working in your niche. They literally use the same viral framework I discovered, but they've perfected across thousands of successful campaigns. And most importantly, they also offer unlimited revisions, so if you're not happy with the first version, they'll keep tweaking it until it's perfect. Now look, if you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business, I highly recommend you the VIP membership, because for just $50 per month, you basically get 75% of all ad packages, 24-hour delivery guaranteed, delivery on weekends, access to their private Discord community, and most importantly, weekly coaching calls with 7-figure dropshippers. So if you want to try V.I.R.A.L Ecom ads for yourself, I've actually got a special link in the description that will give you an access to their platform. And if you use my code ECOM Santiago 15, 15, you'll get an additional 15% off for your first order. Remember, in dropshipping, your ads are everything. You can have the best product in the world, but if your ads don't convert, you'll never make a sale. So don't make the same expensive mistakes I've made. Learn from my $50,000 experiment and start creating viral ads from day number 1. Now look, if this video helped you understand what makes dropshipping ads go viral, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the viral framework or viral ecom ads, and I'll personally respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.